lads and lovelies. Captain Edward von Arkham here, coming to you from on board the MHS Hysteria. I'm feeling a bit irked today, as I received a message on the chronograph from a most irksome individual. It read, "Dear Edward, it has been near over a decade since your last session. There is dust gathering on your file. I highly recommend that you return to Vienna immediately to continue your treatment. I believe that we are very close to a breakthrough. I give you my word as a doctor that together we will be able to cure you of your condition. Sincerely, Dr. Freud." I hate him. Such an incredibly irritating man. I hear good things about him, so I drop by his practice in Vienna once. Just once! Now he won't leave me alone. Sigmund has framed me as his magnum opus, convinced that he can cure me of my madness. He might as well try and stop the tide. The stubborn old Austrian quack can't seem to grasp the notion that my madness does not stem from any manner of psychological root, but from the simple fact that I have all of time and space vacuum-packed inside my cranium. One would think it safe to assume that such a condition would come with a few odd side effects, but he just won't let the bloody thing go. Sigmund, if you're watching this, there is no blithering way I am going back on that sofa. It's too lumpy for a start, and it reeks of Schweinsbraten. Clean the bloody sofa. We did not establish any sort of rapport last time, and there will not be a next time. I do not have any need to continue any sort of psychological analysis, no matter what my crew believes, and if I did, you would be my last choice. Your theories are impotent at best. I mean flaccid. I mean feeble, ineffective, inept, stupid. Shut up! You cannot unlock my subconscious because I do not sodding have a subconscious. I have millions of them. Big, little, Scottish, Welsh, hair lip. Do you want to try and analyze all of them? You're 68, Sigmund. You don't have that much time. Trust me, I know. And another thing, saying my id is overactive, well, it's a fair cop, but I do not have an Oedipus complex. I don't know my parents. And furthermore, Oedipus didn't fancy his mother, and he didn't want to kill his father. Read the play, Sigmund. He didn't know his parents. Wait a minute. No, shut up! And another thing. On behalf of all of your unfortunate patients, enough already with the libido nonsense. No matter what you may believe, not everyone in the world has naughty bits on their breasts. Brains! No! Shut up! And for the last time, stop asking me about my dreams. I don't have any dreams. I don't bloody sleep. Enough, Sigmund. Enough. And another thing. Well, that's our time for today. I'm going to go blow off some steam. I am really going to enjoy what I'm about to say. Until next time, stay mad, my duckies. Yes, stay mad. Everyone stay mad. Stay mad and go bother Sigmund Freud.